Are you tired of constantly getting sick? Want to boost your immune system and stay healthy all year round? In today's video, I'm revealing the top foods and supplements that can supercharge your immune defenses. Say goodbye to sniffles and hello to a stronger you. Hi everyone, Dr. Jordan Wagner here. You might know me from my other YouTube channel, Dr. ER. Welcome to Life Happens, your go-to channel for all of your much needed health and wellness tips. Today, we're talking about foods and supplements that can strengthen your immune system. All right, let's dive right in. Food number one, citrus fruits. First up, citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. They're packed with vitamin C, which is known to increase the production of white blood cells, crucial for fighting infections. Plus, they add a tangy kick to your day. It's like a health party in your mouth. Aim for 1 to 2 servings per day, like 1 medium-sized fruit or cup of citrus segments. Next, we have red bell peppers. Did you know that they have twice as much vitamin C as citrus fruits? They're also a rich source of beta carotene, which is great for skin and eye health. So basically, they're kind of like the overachievers of the veggie world. But I'm here for it. So opt for a red bell pepper if you need a little pep in your step. Try to eat 1 cup of chopped red bell peppers daily. Food number 3, broccoli. Broccoli is a superfood when it comes to your immune health. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fiber and antioxidants. But remember, to retain its nutrients, cook it as little as possible, or if you're like me, just tell yourself that raw broccoli is basically nature's candy. Load up on it whenever you can, aiming for 2 to 3 servings per week. Food number 4, garlic. Garlic isn't just for adding flavor to your food. It's also great for your immune system. It contains compounds like allicin, which can help boost the immune response. Plus, it helps keep the vampires away. Double win. Try to include 1 to 2 cloves of garlic in your meals daily. Food number 5, ginger. Ginger is another powerful food that can help reduce inflammation and support immune health. It's great for soothing a sore throat and fighting off colds. So go ahead and reach for your ginger tea if you're feeling a little under the weather, or you can aim for 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or a half a teaspoon of ground ginger daily. Now that we've covered some powerful immune boosting foods, let's talk about supplements that can give your immune system an extra edge. Supplement number 1, vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for a well-functioning immune system. Many people are deficient, especially in the winter months. You can get it from sunlight, foods like salmon and fortified milk, or supplements. It's like sunshine in a pill. Aim for 600 to 800 IU daily, or as recommended by your healthcare provider. Supplement number 2, zinc. Zinc is crucial for immune cell function and communication. It helps the immune system fight off invading bacteria and viruses. Foods rich in zinc include meat, shellfish, and legumes, or you can take a zinc supplement. Think of it as the bodyguard for your immune system. Aim for 8 to 11 milligrams per day, depending on your age and sex. Supplement number 3, Life Happens, do not disturb. When it comes to supporting your immune system through better sleep, our Do Not Disturb supplement is an excellent choice. It's formulated with bioavailable magnesium, passion flower extract, L-theanine, and avodia. These ingredients work together to promote relaxation, reduce caffeine-related sleep disturbances, and support all phases of healthy sleep habits. A good night's sleep is vital for a strong immune system. And let's face it, we all want to wake up feeling recharged and well-rested. So why not add a natural sleep aid into the mix? There you have it, some of the best foods and supplements to strengthen your immune system. Incorporating these into your diet and a daily routine to stay healthy and resilient. Don't forget to check out Life Happens supplements like Do Not Disturb to support your overall well-being. What are your favorite immune boosting foods? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Drop any comments or questions below. Stay healthy, my friends.